Hey there, beauties. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, your ultimate destination for all things skincare. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind, unlocking the secrets to youthful skin. So if you're ready to turn back the clock and achieve that radiant, age-defying glow, you're in the right place. No one wants dull, tired-looking skin that makes them appear older than they are. The good news is you don't need fancy products or procedures to achieve a fresh, youthful glow. With just a few kitchen staples and natural ingredients, you can make easy home remedies that reduce wrinkles, brighten skin, and deeply nourish for a more youthful appearance. Key point 1: exfoliating is crucial for young-looking skin. I'll share a super simple sugar and oil scrub you can make in minutes to slough off dead skin cells. Key point 2: antioxidants found in foods like blueberries, green tea, and dark chocolate fight skin aging free radicals. I'll cover easy, tasty ways to get more of these skin-loving ingredients into your diet. Key point 3: staying hydrated plumps up skin and keeps it supple. I'll talk about making fruit-infused waters, herbal teas, and other refreshing beverages that hydrate better than plain water. Key point 4: moisturizing oils like coconut, avocado, and jojoba oil deeply nourish skin and protect its youthfulness. I'll demonstrate whipping up your own custom facial oil blend for glowing skin. I'll also address other common skincare concerns like acne, uneven tone, and protecting skin from the sun. Get ready to discover simple, all-natural solutions for keeping your complexion looking fresh and radiant. The results of these home remedies may surprise you. I aim to open with an attention-grabbing hook, highlight the main points to be covered, and end by building excitement for the DIY home remedies. Please let me know if you would like me to modify or add anything.